Obama was a hit with Wall Street donors in the West Coast fundraising swing. What happened here is that he might want to keep an eye on some of his East Coast donors because some on Wall Street could be defecting to Mitt Romney. Megan Hughes has that story from Washington. Megan?
That's exactly right, Scarlett. You said it, Obama, a hit with Wall Street donors back in 2008, but at this point, Mitt Romney is in fact outpacing him. He's luring away big money in the Big Apple. That's where he held several fundraisers just yesterday, including a high-profile meeting with the Donald Trump. In total so far, more than 100 Obama donors from the 2008 campaign have defected to Camp Romney for 2012. Some voicing concerns about class warfare, others about Dodd-Frank. And when you take a look at the cash donated from the securities and investment industry alone, thus far, Obama raised less than $900,000, Romney $2.3 million. Of course, the president's been focusing his fundraising far away from Wall Street in recent days, and his West Coast swing has brought in at least $8 million by our math. And as part of his fundraising pitch, he's actually trying to use that class warfare charge to his advantage.
The Republicans are going around talking about, well, that's class warfare. You know what? If asking a billionaire to pay the same tax rate as a plumber is class warfare, then sign me up.
And of course, Scarlett, it's not all Obama-Romney. This Friday, we may get the first hard data about Rick Perry's ability to raise cash. That's when the books close on third quarter fundraising. So candidates right now pressing the flesh hard this week, trying to post big numbers to show that they have the momentum. Also worth pointing out, Scarlett, both Romney and Perry have fundraisers today, by the way.
And Megan, how are we expecting Perry to do with Wall Street?
He's got some big obstacles. One hitch for Perry, an SEC rule. He can't accept money from firms that manage investments in the Texas pension system. So that cuts off some pretty big Wall Street cash. We're talking about folks like Goldman, Blackstone, and Romney's old company, Bain Capital. Also, the Dallas Morning News is reporting from sources inside the Perry campaign. On the other hand, he is making waves when it comes to online fundraising. They're reporting $20 million in 3 days. So once we get those reports, we'll be able to eke out whether that's actually the case.
Yeah, he has a pretty slick video on YouTube right now. Thanks so much. Megan Hughes.
The way of the future.
That's
campaigning
right.
of the future.
Megan Hughes in Washington for us.